His Holiness Pope Francis, dear Mr. President, has received your letter of January 21, 2016, and he has asked me to respond on his behalf. Muna yung secretary. No? He appreciates the sentiments which you express. Then, ang next paragraph, the Holy Father offers the assurance of his prayers for you as he invokes upon you the divine blessings of wisdom and peace. Ang simple kayo.
Wala yung God of forgiveness.
Wala, unsa may buti ko sa buti.
Kamu na lang independent. Nindot ang pan ba? Ang ending. Nindot kay Father Lee, offers assurance of his prayers for you, and he invokes upon you the divine blessings of wisdom and peace.
But there's no such thing as word as of forgiveness.
Para sa yung mga
ang nindot kayo nga he appreciates the sentiments which you express. Matayan na nga word, he appreciates sentiments. Di na ko makaricall sa letter, itaw na makaricall. Pero nadito siguro ang sentiments ni Mayor sa letter. So he appreciates the sentiments which you express.
Sige.